morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned video. Today we leave this apartment in Rovaniemi and we'll go to our new accommodation. This has been brilliant where we are. Let me show you around for the last time. Right, so just ignore all this stuff. We're taking the rubbish with us on the way out. That's what we're taking to the new place. So as you come in the apartment, you've got this storage cupboard here. We're just using it for like our shoes and stuff. Full length mirror there as well. Then come round the corner, you've got kitchen, table, sofa, TV, Wi-Fi, bedroom. We've stripped the bed and we've put all the stuff down there for them. Just a one bedroom apartment, but quite nice. Then we had this balcony here where Pam's currently taking some pictures. Just drinking a little Jarrito Mexican cola. This was our balcony. It's got like this glass here and it does actually stop a lot of the cold, but you can open that end one there and that's the view. Now we're going to head on to the next place, which is really nice. We're going to drive down now and see if we can drop our bags because we can't check in until 4. But although Finland's like safe, I don't really want to leave our stuff in the car because I'll just be thinking about it the whole time. So we're going to see if we can drop it there and then go out and do something. Catch you soon. Right guys, we've just pulled up at our next place, the Vaattunki Wilderness Resort, and these little lodges over here are where we're staying tonight. So we're just going to go and see if we can drop our bags even, because check-in isn't until 4. Look at this. Right, we've pulled up, hut number 11, this is us. We'll go in now and have a look. So this is us when we walk in, cars parked right here, and then we come in the door, number 11. Look at this. So there's our bed, TV there, this view out the window, wow. Then we've got a small little kitchen area, microwave,
Oh look,
nice cups. Oh, the smell is just pure wood.
look.
Toilet. And then these little accent lights down the side here. Oh,
What's this one for?
there. Right, just got some nice drone footage there. Now we're going to have a little explore around the grounds. It's absolutely stunning, this place though. You've just missed all the huskies barking as well, just heard that. So we're going to have a little explore It is quite fresh and cold though, but look at it. Look at this. There's a little fire area here. You can sit there and look out. This is amazing. Absolutely. Like, look at this view. So that is the sauna there, and they've got jacuzzis on the other side. That is so cool. Look at this place. There's a car coming down now. Absolutely breathtaking. This is the main building where the breakfast served. The car park, and we're like in the middle of the national park now. We're going over to this bridge. Look at this, we're just walking through this trail. This place is incredible. And the blue skies. We might get the lights tonight. I haven't even looked at the aurora forecast yet because I'm just loving every second of this. This is incredible. I don't know if I mentioned or not, but they do free snowshoeing if you're a hotel guest. So we're going to do the free snowshoeing at some point and have a little trek around with them. It's going to be so good. Ooh, Finland! And out here, this might be the lake. So let's walk to the edge. Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow. Breathtaking. This might be one of the nicest places I think I've ever been, seriously. This is absolutely beautiful. It's so silent, like there's the odd plane going around because Rovaniemi airport is where some of the Finnish Air Force are based, so there's the odd little fighter jet going around, but just look at it. We've just come off the walkway and we're walking down to the frozen lake, but look at this little trail. Look at this. So we've just had the drone flying around. You might be able to hear the huskies again. And now I think we're going to nip to the supermarket, get some supplies. But there's also this guy here setting his drone up. And it looks a lot better than my little Mini too, because obviously just for traveling I need something small and that you don't need a Rochester, but it's just about to take it off now. We've done a full loop. We're back at the bridge now. We'll go and jump in the car, go and get some supplies, and then it's 1 hour 51 minutes till sundown. So we'll look at possible aurora activity now. It's starting. Look at the guys coming in on their snowmobiles. Wow. Look at these little dudes. Just chilling. So this is the Apukka resort. It's really expensive to stay here. Way out of my price range. But they do have igloos. They have igloos there. They've got lovely lodges and villas. They've got their own lake access, a fleet of snowmobiles. Apukka, if you're watching and you're struggling to film your rooms, invite me, I'll come back. Any excuse. There's more of the igloos there as well. This guy must be pretty cold, stood there. It doesn't look too good. Little portable sauna that they bring to your cabin. The actual sauna there. Look at the little bear. That was the crisp that they had covered in chocolate last time. If anybody from Finland's watching, do they still make those raffle covered in chocolate? Right, we're coming to see if we can do the snow glow winter park here in Rovaniemi now. This place here. Right, so we're in Snow Glow. It's 10 euros each for a sightseeing pass, which is what we've got. We're going to have a little look around, get some photos and videos of the lights. I'll show you. This is actually in Rovaniemi's football stadium. Look, this is their ground and we're just inside of it now. Look, there's the seats up there. We're in their football ground. Right, we're sledging. Oh, fuck, oh. Yes. Ask me if we're having another turn. Yes, we are. Look at this. I've got a much better sledge this time. I've got a much better sledge this time.
You've just nearly touched
Sorry. Right, last sledge down. We're gonna go for it. Shit! Whoa! Shit, can we ride these things? Shit. It's not going well. It's not going well. Look, use this to kick. Use the tree. Use the tree. Where you going?